Hi guys, welcome back to another video and a very special video from Singapore because today we've got the P case with our second last case of 2025. Some really exciting cars in this, so we'll open this right now. पहले ही मैंने सिंगापुर भी बोल दिया है तो समझ जाओ भाई इम्पोर्टेड है. फिर आप लोग पूछोगे कहाँ से लाते हो केस ये वो. So obviously a very big thank you to each and everyone who's been super supportive, but also a couple of strange comments. We'll deal with those later. Let's go, let's start. I think you can see from my smile that I can see some exciting things. First car from the set, this is Quick Bite. After that we've got this, which is Hotoroto. After Hotoroto we have got this. Now this is the nice one from this case, which is Jaguar. This is the Jaguar XJC V12 Coupe, so very popular in this set. After that, another nice one which I'm seeing people are liking, this is the Silverado EV RST. Another very popular one, this is Ford GT, very nice, very popular. And after that we've got this is Ford Mustang GTD. So maybe Silverado looks not so popular in front of these because the Mustang is like super popular. Everyone wants the Mustang, especially the GTD. We saw it in the B case, and now this is a very nice recolor. Great detailing on this also in blue, so very nice ones. And the Ford GT also, the Borla color scheme on Ford always looks so nice. Here we have got three fantasies, not exactly fantasy. The top one is a nice one, this is the Formula E Gen 3. Then we've got the Super Twin Mill. After that we've got the Blitz Speeder. So these two are fantasies, and this is actually a very nice one. Everyone wants this from this case. After that we come on to more interesting stuff. Okay, and talking about interesting stuff, maybe I just first take the fantasies out of the way so that you guys know which fantasies are in here, but also know okay, so here are a few fantasies from this case. We've got the Cone Shaker in a recolor, we've got the Limited Grip, we've got Austin Minivan, which is not exactly a fantasy, it's a nice one, but this is like an art car. It has got A written on top in case you want to know. Rojo Dojo 2.0 and Power Rocket. So these are some more nice cars, very nice cars from this, just fantasies but nice ones. You see this, now this is the Dodge Charger Hellcat in pink, so very popular. Love the paint on this. So this is the STH for this one, and this is the STH, actually a loose STH. So yes, this is the STH. We'll see if we find it in this case or not. And this is actually the STH of the N case. It has been carry forwarded to the P case. So in this you can find the regular version. Color is very nice, bright pink, hot pink. So everyone I think likes this. After that we've got another beautiful recolor, great casting. This is the Lamborghini Huracan Sterato from Safari mode, black and yellow. It's a great car in a great color. And another great color scheme, not black and yellow, but this is black and gold. This is the 67 Shelby GT 500. So very cool this one. Some more fantasies here. We've got the Hotoroto, the Speed Driver. So the Speed Driver, if you see here, this is a spanner, so you can actually use it as a spanner like a wrench. So this is a very cool one. It's from the Xperi Motor series. El Segundo, a very popular Hot Wheels casting. So El Segundo Rally, this is like the Lamborghini Sterato or the Porsche Dakar, but a Hot Wheels fantasy Dakar. And then here we've got the Skull Shaker, also from Xperi Motors. So these are a few nice fantasies once again. Now we'll come on to some more real cars in this. First up we've got the 91 GMC Cyclone. After that we've got this Big Daddy, we've got the Chevy Blazer 4x4. So you see the jacked up look and everything, and it's a very nice color scheme also, so this is quite nice. After this we've got two more. This one again I think it's been forwarded from N case, right? This is the 56 Ford Truck Custom, and this is from 2025. So from what I understand, the cars with the skull on it, they honor this Mexican festival Dia de los Muertos, which is basically the Day of the Dead, where they celebrate their ancestors. So this looks like a celebration racer for that festival. After that we've got one more of this, which is the pink Dodge, which we have seen in the last case STH. One more in here, regular, of course. Two more fantasy castings here. We've got the Salt Shaker and we've got the El Segundo Rally. So Salt Shaker actually quite nice. It's a very futuristic rocket kind of car, and El Segundo Rally we've already talked about it. Then we come on to some very nice cars actually, you know, like these are super popular from this case. So we've got this. Now this everyone loves. This is the Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG, and this is what the back of the card looks like, because in Singapore you don't really have that sticker or anything, so all of them, they have a very clean back also. Great details on this, and the navy blue color, just beautiful, amazing. After that we've got this, which is another Ford Borla, the Ford GT in the Borla livery, matte black. That is what I really like about this. And finally, among the top 36 cars, this is another one. This is the Dodge Viper GTS. A few more random ones here, like this later creator, the Silverado EV-RST. This is actually quite nice. The Terra Tractyl and the Austin minivan, which is also the art car. So happy to tell you that we are done with the first 36 cars of the case. After that, we've got the Speed Driver, another one, the one which has the spanner at the back. We've got this Ain't Fair, which is more like a bus. Maybe you can see the card art here. After that, we've got the Super Twin Mill, and last one, now this is actually a nice one. This is the Mazda RX-7 Drift. So this is actually pretty cool, and I love the color scheme of this, the red, yellow and black, very nice. After this, we come on to this exciting motorcycle. This is the Honda CB750 Cafe Racer in short, and the Miami blue kind of color scheme, the light blue color scheme, that's quite pretty on this. And not generally we've got to see this motorcycle often, so it's a good one. After that, we've got one more which we saw initially. This is the Jaguar, and we've got one more of this, which is the 56 Ford truck, the Dia de los Muertos truck. But then I know what you all are waiting for, so here we go, the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, and this is in this gray color, the new recolor which has come out for this casting. And what a beautiful casting, man. This was the first Ferrari mainline which they released in the J case, and then we got the F40 and all of it. But this one is very classy, and it's good to see this in a shade other than red. The details of course are very nice. Maybe I'll post some uncarded photos later on, but this one, very cool. I think this is actually a great set, and you get some great cars in this. For example, you've got this. I think this has been carry forwarded from the last case. This is the Porsche 911 Turbo Cabriolet. So beautiful car, the maroon color and the pink interior, very cool. And this is a great one, very popular one from this. Then we've got a Batman special. This is the TV series Batmobile in red, this dark red, cherry red kind of color, very cool. And here we've got another. This is the Honda CB 750 Cafe. Some more exciting cars here. Here we've got the 1983 Porsche 928S. So I've already posted a short video unboxing the short card. So this is a bright red car, beautiful. Then after that, we've got the STH of this case. This is the regular variant. This is not the STH, but this gets a variation. Like maybe if you can see side by side, you can realize, maybe if I show you this angle, you can see that this has the Spectra Flame paint on it, and it has got the rubber wheels and everything. So basically the wheels and the paint is a little different. Other than that, this is the regular one. If you like BMW M3 wagons, especially with the Michelin Man, I think you like it. And then after that, we've got this is the BMW 2002. So this is in the blue color. So blue is a very signature color for BMW, so I think this is going to be very popular as well. Then I think we might be coming on to the last few cars from this case, but the quality of the cars is not getting any less or whatsoever. Here we've got a pair of these Honda Civics. We've got two Honda Civics, the blue ones, the new one. Great detailing at the front, Honda badging on the side. This is quite nice. After that, we've already seen this is the Lamborghini Sterato black and yellow. Taking these three aside, after that we've got the Volvo 240 Drift wagon, and this is actually quite cool. Oh wow, then we've got this, now another very bright colored car, the aquamarine color, the Gordon Murray Automotive T33. So this is also I think forwarded from the last case, but it's actually a bright car, very beautiful color on this. And then I think we've already seen these two earlier, so these are repeats. This is the Mazda and this is the Porsche. Fantasy after a long time, because this is November 2025, basically Movember. If you know Movember, it is a thing which has started that you don't shave for 1 month, and the money which you save on shaving supplies, you donate it to cancer, like prostate cancer and all these other diseases. So for this, they have made a special awareness car, mustache. In this, you get this foldable comb, with which you can comb your beard and stuff. So yeah, this is a very cool fantasy, and it has come with a cause. So it's good to see Hot Wheels participating in all of this. Last few but exciting few. First up, we've got the Zinger 21C. Now I was reading up recently, this was at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, and they've said that I think this is a 3D printed car, so that's quite insane. Then we've got this, also a car with a very unique story. This is the Renault E-Space F1. So the black and yellow color scheme, it has been shuffled a little, and it has a V10 F1 engine inside it. Then we've got this, we've got the Mazda RX-3, and over here we've got another Gordon Murray Automotive T33. Here we've got a pair of fantasies. Down below we've got Gone Mad, we've got Track D Wagon, and this is also a fantasy, but a cool kind of fantasy. This is Feline Lucky. So basically it's the cat, and this is celebrating this on 29/9. Maybe you can just read up about it. I'm sorry, I don't know much as of now. This is the BMW 635 CSI. A beautiful color, orange, really cool car. I think we've seen everyone excited about it, and the color in this is really bright. And then after that we've got another Porsche 928S. Then we've got this, we've got the 84 Audi Sport Quattro in silver and orange, and we've got this BMW 2002. And this one is the treasure hunt of this. So in case you're wondering which one is the treasure hunt, maybe you can just look around here. So over here you can see the treasure hunt symbol, and maybe over here, because it's a big car, you cannot really see at the bottom. So this is the treasure hunt for this case. This is the Audi and 84 Audi Sport Quattro. This is the treasure hunt. Now last three cars from this, they are Formula E Gen 3, the TV series Batmobile in red, and the silver drift wagon. So this is the Hot Wheels PKs 2025. A very big shout out to my good friends at She Love Cars. They have been super kind. Singapore has been a really successful trip because of them, and I'll be posting a detailed store tour of this store later. You can see some very exciting things behind me. They've got a lot of the holy grails in terms of Hot Wheels, so we'll be posting them later. We did a very successful event together in which we had some great models like these. This also you'll get to see very soon. So all of this I think has been great so far. And what did you think about this video? What did you think about this case? Are you excited for it? Which car are you most excited about? I think I know everyone's gonna say the Ferrari, but I think there are some other great ones in this too. So let me know all of that in the comments. Thanks for watching.